So today I'm going to be discussing another airdrop called Blum. So Blum airdrop is a promotional event organized by Blum cryptocurrency project to distribute free Blum token to participants. This event aims to raise awareness about this project, attract new users and reward early adopters. Participate in this Blum airdrop. All you have to do is to follow Blum on their Telegram channel, create an account and complete your profile. Complete various tasks such as following Bloom's social media accounts, engaging in community, start farming Bloom points by clicking the farm button every 8 hours and playing the associated games. Accumulate enough Bloom points to redeem them for Bloom tokens, which can be withdrawn to your cryptocurrency wallet. The airdrop is entirely free and does not require any upfront investment. It is designed to be accessible and easy for beginners to get involved in crypto markets. The official launch of Bloom airdrop is scheduled for June 2024, and the participants can earn up to 5,000 tokens by completing tasks and participating on the Bloom airdrop. So I'll be showing you on how to farm this airdrop. So firstly, I'm going to click on what claim. So the second step is to check the tax. If you're having any tax, that's you click on tax. Then all these are the tasks that I'm going to do. I'm going to follow them on their social media handles. I'm going to invite friends. You're going to subscribe to Bloom Telegram channel, Instagram account and everything. You're going to follow them. Then the main thing is in the home page. So you're going to play game. There are a lot of games here. So you're going to play it. So you click on play. We are going to play all this game, you play them. Then if you are done, you should just be tapping on the screen, be playing the game. So every 8 hours you are going to be farming these Bloom points here. So as you can see, thing is reading here. So every 8 hours you are going to be farming these Bloom points here. So this is the total point I've accumulated so far in my Bloom points. But other people have gone to like 5,000, 10,000, 15, some are even 100,000 or millions or so. But the point that this is the point, Bloom points here. So every 8 hours you get the opportunity to farm the Bloom points, and they have tasks that you'll be doing. So every 8 hours you're going to be doing the tasks. That's all for now. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. My name is Matthew.